Well, happy Thanksgiving to my American friends. And we had our Thanksgiving last month in Canada. So happy Thanksgiving to everyone who is celebrating today. And it is also my mom's birthday, or it would have been. She's gone to be with the Lord. But yeah, today would have been her birthday. So happy birthday to my mom in heaven. And happy birthday to all the November babies. Yes, my birthday was November 15th, and that's when I started this giveaway. We are on day 12. All right, so I want to give a shout out to a little girl who goes to kindergarten, and she was telling her grandma Dawn how I'm to put up my hands to count the days. So yesterday was day 11. I was trying to figure out, okay, I got 10. How do I do the next one, the next number? So her grandma passed along this message to me in the comments in yesterday's video on how to do it. She said you put 5 up and 5, that's 10. And then you put up your pinky finger. Oh, sorry. Put up your pinky finger. So that's one more. So 5, 10, one more is 11. So today is day 12. So what I would do is 5, 10, and then you put up baby finger and this one. 1, 2. So 5, 10, 12. Did I get it right, sweetie? I'm sorry I don't know your name, but so I'm just going to call you Sweetie. So thank you for that valuable information. I really, really appreciate you. And actually, last night I was thinking about you. I was walking into my kitchen, and all of a sudden I stopped walking, and I thought about you. And I had this strong feeling come over me that you, sweetie, are going to do wonderful things with your life. You're going to have a positive influence on the world. I really feel that. And thank you so much for teaching me how to do the hand accounting. Thank you. And thank you, Grandma Dawn, for passing on her knowledge to me. I appreciate that so much. And now to all my viewers as well. See, you're already having an impact on many, many people. Thank you, sweetie. Maybe your grandma can explain it all to you, what I said. And I thank you so much for being one of my viewers, little one. Thank you. Have a good day, sweetie. Okay, so what do I have to show you today? Let's see. What's in the giveaway? What is another item that's going to be in the giveaway? Well, you know what? I don't have it yet. I am going to have to probably double up on my mask tonight and go to the store and get some chocolate. Do you guys like chocolate? What do you mean no? I'm just kidding. So there'll be some chocolate in each winner. There's 3 winners, and each winner will have some chocolate in their bag. So you have until midnight tonight to enter on each of the 12 videos. So if you're just joining me now, you got some watching and typing to do if you want to enter. And then you'll get to see the items that are going to be in the giveaway. And so the winners will be drawn tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Hard to believe. I know. I'm gonna miss this. I am. Are you guys gonna miss this? But I do have other content planned for my channel, so no worries. I hope you all stay with me, and you know, watch my channel, and I love your interaction. I love to read your comments. And yeah. So, oh, do you want to know what I'm wearing? You know what? I was hot a while ago, so I turned the heat down, and then I got a little chilly. So I put this on. This is actually something I designed. Oh. And it's a shrug. It's just a shrug. So this is how long it is. So I'll put the link to my tutorial video down below. I'll also link the playlist for all of my tutorials. I think there may be 20 or something, and I'm working on a couple other designs right now too, so make sure you stay around for those. So yeah, let's see. The word of the day. We don't have a word. I'm gonna give you a break. Although you guys are so creative with your sentences. Today I have a question for you. What has been your favorite part about this giveaway? And do you think I should do it again next year? Yeah. I want to have another giveaway when I'm trying to be positive here, when I reach 3,000 subscribers. I want to have another giveaway. So keep that in mind. Yeah, so I think that's it for today. For now, I'm waiting for the mail to come. I don't know if there's going to be any mail. If there's any happy mail or anything, I'll be sure to make a video. Oh, and I have another crocheted item that I finished. Oh, it took me like, I think 2 weeks, and it shouldn't have taken that long, but I'm, you know, doing these videos and everything else. Yeah, but I finally got it done. I'm so proud of myself. I sewed my ends in yesterday, so I think I may come on a little bit later with that video, make a video. And it's not designed by myself, but of course I will credit the person whose tutorial I followed, because that's the right thing to do. So yeah, so bless you all, and I'll see you soon, and watch for that winner giveaway tomorrow. Oh my, it's going to be later in the day because I have to pull all the names from the videos and things like that, so it'll take a while, but I'm so excited, so excited. All right, I think that's all I have to say right now. So you take care, and you have a fantastic Thanksgiving, and stay safe, because I really want you to stay safe. Protect yourselves. Make sure you know, if you need some company, I have lots of videos. You can go back, like, I've been on here just over a year, so I have lots of videos you can check out if you like. All right, thank you so much for that. I really, really appreciate that. And make sure you're subscribed, click the bell, like this video and all videos that you watch of mine. If you like them, if there's anything at all in the videos you like, please click like. What else? Share them on your social media. I would really appreciate that. And I'll see you guys later today, and then for sure tomorrow. All right, thank you so much for everything. You guys mean the world to me. All right, bye-bye for now.